Well, hello there guys, this is Ashley down at Ashley's Allotment Adventures, and this is the May version of the small space gardening collaboration. So what I'll do is I'll start with what I'm going to be putting out soon. So as you can see here, there's that is a gherkin, small cucumber basically, and that's a telegraph cucumber over there. Potted them up today, and going on to other things that will be going out at some point. Here we have a chili, Hungarian hot wax, so that'll be going out soon, but, well, not out, but. And here we have the third sowing of peas. They will be going out very shortly, just not today. It's too hot. And then here we have quite a selection of tomatoes. That's a money maker, that's got to have a home yet. That's a cocktail crush. This one is another cocktail crush. There's actually two in there, there's two in each of those. And that's a variety, well, it's not even a variety, it's called Soup in a Box. My sister gave it to me. The seeds are in a box about the size of a matchbox, and you get basil and tomato seeds. Quite unique, I suppose, but when you don't know what variety it is. But in here I've got autumn giant cauliflower, Savoy cabbage in there, and Calabrese on the end one with the lonesome seedling. So that's all there is to go out at the minute. Now, what we have in this tunnel is in between the kohlrabi. I've planted lettuce. Let's move that out of the way, you might be able to see it. That gives the lettuce some shade and doesn't bother the kohlrabi at all. Done the same along here. So these are golden acre cabbages, by the way. So a couple more lettuce in there, and then just by the chili we have cauliflower. So they're doing really well. I'm very pleased with them. We also have a volunteer potato. So down here, the silver skin onions. A bit of a failure this year, as you can see. There's only one, and some rather sad looking lettuce. But here's the second sowing of beetroot. They have to be weeded and watered. The wildflower section is doing okay. These are oh no, back. So these are first early potatoes. As you can see, they're well in flower, so they won't be too much longer before they're ready to come out. But in relation to that, when these are out and I've put some compost in the ground and whatnot, then I will be sowing swede in here, and that will then take up that row again. As far as the onions go, they're doing okay. They're starting to die off now, which there's not some bad size onions there. Some are better than others, but and then I shall replace those with Durham early cabbage. And then along here we have the broad beans. They're doing really well, and I don't know if you can see them in there. Yeah, there you go. There's 3 lettuce in there which have been shaded by the beans all the time, so that sort of like shows really that lettuce will do better in the shade. Then we come to the rather neglected strawberry bed. The other one over there is the main one. This one, these are peas. These are the first lot that I put out, so they're coming in now. Some nice peas swelling up in them. And here we have tomatoes, Moneymaker, and a couple of Gardener's Delight. I think the one at the end there that looks a bit sad, he flopped over the other day, so don't know. I just pushed him back in and hope he'll be okay. So, and then of course we have the Brussels sprouts. Not much to show on these yet, even though they're doing really well. It's as you can see again, a little bit of shade for the lettuce, and they do a lot better. And these are the main crop potatoes. They're doing well. I think I noticed earlier a couple of them have got flower buds on, so yeah. Here's one there. And then of course there's the beetroots. That was the first sowing. Under here I've done another few lettuce. I'm a bit reluctant to take the cover off. There we go. So that's him. So because I can't be asked to go and get another brick, I'm going to put that on there. And then we have the leeks there. Yes, they do look a bit floppy at the minute, but they do actually look better than when they first went in. And then we have the runner beans. They're virtually up to my waist now, the majority of them. And then we have Cobra French climbing beans. Again, the other side is identical. And then we have the second lot of peas in there. I think that's the second lot. Yes, it is. And under here there's several types of tomatoes. Don't really want to take the cover off, but so yeah, that's what is going on at the minute. There's going to be a few other things sown as seeds, probably at a later date, such as turnip, swede, carrots, main crop carrots, and maybe another lot of Calibris. So on that note, I'll bid you farewell.